Posting videos to YouTube can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. And sometimes it feels completely random when YouTube decides to take your video and make sure that it gets a ton of views. But you get a bit confused when people don't decide to subscribe. They perhaps click on your video and they watch for the first 30 seconds and then they click off. And the first step is basically to change the way we are thinking about our YouTube channel and the videos that we are making. If you have, let's say, 50 subscribers, it's easy to think that YouTube will only show that video to around 50 people or maximum 300 people. If we think about our channel, that the channel is super small, we're gonna produce the videos and thumbnails and titles in the same way. But if you have in your mind, okay, this video, my next video, will have the potential to be seen by, let's say, 1 million people, I bet that you will change the way you behave on camera, the way you put your titles and thumbnail, and you will probably be practicing your videos a bit more. Take the existing channel, the niche that we are already in, change the way we think of our channel. Maybe we can expand the people that are watching the stuff that we are making. Usually people just record with the camera, sit down and they talk for 20 minutes and they edit it down to a 5 to 10 minute video. That's fine in most cases. But what if you took the time to research the topic that you're going to talk about, so you're able to talk freely, so it's easier for you to just edit the video and put it together in just a few moments instead of just editing and editing. Try to force it into a video and it feels like a Frankenstein type of monster that you have just sort of crafted together. Understand what you're talking about or how you're going to explain it. So don't overthink. You don't have to make a giant script where you list down every single thing that you're going to say, because that's going to be super hard for you. In this video, I'm going to have some bullet points, but just make sure that you understand what you're going to be talking about, that you have a clear vision of what you're going to say in that video in order for the audience to join you on your journey. Remember, by the end of the day, this is your YouTube channel. This is your YouTube topic. This is the information from your head. You are able to take the video and put it into the direction that you want to, and the story is based around whatever you present in front of the camera. Maybe some of the viewers started out by clicking the videos because you are talking about this specific thing, but after a while people will start by clicking the video, first of all because of you, and then second of all, like I said, because of the content or the thing that you're talking about or showing. So now we want the viewers to return to your videos and to subscribe to your channel. How do you even do that? First of all, you ask them, can you please subscribe? Thank you. If you're able to subscribe, that will be nice. And then we need to know where in the video should you ask your subscribers to subscribe. Watch this video right here to figure that out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjørn, peace out, subscribe, bye bye, goodbye, subscribe, bye bye.